The candidate of the United Democratic Party UDP from Soyong in East Khasi Hills district, HDR Lingdo, had filed his nomination on the 3rd of February 2023.
Ngan hapan serdap, ngan hapan repair, ya ka jingjot jang konsersi, kabala pay, kabala jot mentah berosan senang. Namar ngakwa bangan don bat ka parti trairi ka bangan nongrim ke jongka kalong ban kentiu banra ya ka jaj benriu lajok.
Sebelum mai sidi arwam tak berarti dulu kibri borok kidawa. Andrei duna pat kinong yalam.
Kinong yalam kisami. Kidan kinong yalam boleh ndong iduna. We have got abundant of leaders in the regional parties. Naka party kejongi we are fighting ngi yakun ngi election. Apo ka jingalam jong ba met ba lengda. If the party comes to power, obviously ba met ba lengda will be the leader.